Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very interesting video which is our shopping vlog. And so now you can see we are heading to the mall. And here on the other side you can see there are many plants planted on the road. And here you can see a big lightning mountain which is also known as Green Mubasra. This is the most famous park in the UAE, United Arab Emirates. And now our car got out of fuel, so we were filling it up. And even though you can see this side of the road, there are also many plants planted. And we have reached our destination, and so now we are finding a parking. There was many people crowded, so we could not find a parking. It took us a lot of time to find. And then finally, after finding the parking, we are out of the car, and here you can see the national tree of United Arab Emirates, which is known as date palm. And even though you can see there are dates hanging on them. So now let's enter. And this is the entrance of the mall, and first of all here you can see there are mini markets, little shops in the mall. And here are the shopping carts. It is being sanitized and distributed to everyone. You should also sanitize yourself before entering in. And here is the magazine of the market. And so when you enter, first of all you will see everything related to technologies like laptop, mobiles, tablets, and many more stuffs. And on this other side you can see there are water bottles and soft drinks, everything related to food. So here we're picking up our groceries, so we took one crate of water bottles. And here also you can see there are many cookies, chocolates, and here we also picked up a milk crate. And so also here you will find a lot of varieties of coffees. And yeah, I love this croissants very much. ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. ये मैं अपने ब्रेकफास्ट में खाती हूँ, लंच में भी और स्नैक्स के तौर पे भी खाती हूँ. And here you can see also many varieties of mayonnaise, and here we picked up a small bottle of olive oil and ketchup, and here are cornflakes and chips, and these are masalas and minced stuff. So next we picked up some kidney beans, and then here you can see spaghettis, pasta, rice, And at the front you can see many towel stocks, and this side there are many t-shirts that you can buy. Even though this side, have a look. And these are varieties of rice. So next up we picked up some oil, and here you can see many beautiful t-shirts are hanging. And here you can see Johnson stuff and some mouthwash, and these are garment section where there are many clothes. And moving forward you can see how beautifully they are displaying their products. As you know, this is surf, and here we are in the section, and you can see there are a lot of varieties of oil. And this side you can see regular soups, and at the top it's mentioned like coconut milk and everything. And this side is of spices. And here we picked up a bottle of mustard oil, and here are Indian masalas, Pakistani shan masala, like biryani, nihari masala, many kinds of masala. And so this is a price checker machine, and here hand sanitizer. You must know how to hygiene yourself. And next up we are in the cheese section, and you can see many kinds of cheese like square shaped cheese, cheese, and even the stick cheese. And here are butter, also mozzarella cheeses, like many varieties of cheese. And here are yogurts, like dairy products. And here you can see we are getting one free lemon with a milk. And this side is a water bottle and milk side. You can see there are cartons of water and milk, and these are apples and palm dates. And here are also juices of different flavor, mango, apple, and yeah, many flavors. And we picked up mango because we like mango juice flavor, so we picked up two of them. And so here you can see like there are coconuts, mango, dragon fruit. Like these are fruit section, including also pineapple, banana, and many more. And this side is vegetable side. You can see there are potatoes, onions, ginger, and herbs. As I said, herbs, here you can see here are very fresh herbs. And these are radish. And now here is the beef side. You can see many beef, minced meat, cubed meat, and sliced meat. Here you can see blackberries, blueberries, and here are apples. We are picking up some fresh apples. And so here you can see how filled our shopping cart is, and also here comes the apples. So now we are getting our items barcoded so that the cashier can easily cash our items. And so now it is our turn, so we're getting everything cashed up. After getting everything done, so this is the bakery section where you can find croissants, breads like white bread, brown bread, milk bread, whole breads, and even the pastries. So here we picked one packet of brown bread and one packet of white bread. And here you can find some yummy tasty cakes. And so at this side you can see here are some decorations to decorate your cakes. And here are some desserts. And check out this side, here you can see there are biscuits, donuts are my favorite, and 3 different flavored cakes. And this line is full of frozen chicken. And here you can see frozen items. And on the other side, this full line is filled with butter everywhere. And so here we picked up one frozen paratha, and here is another section of fresh cheese where they provide you everything fresh. And of course one crate of eggs. And so we also picked up 2 more flavors juice, which is kiwi lemon and pineapple. And this is the chip section, one of my favorite section. And here also we picked up some mozzarella cheese. And here are many of chips, so I just picked some of my favorite ones. And also at the other side here are biscuits, popcorns, and I also love these biscuits very much. They are spicy biscuits, like chili biscuits. And now here you can see me picking up some of my favorite chips. So after we're done, and now here we are picking up one big bottle of 7-Up soft drink. So this is the pulses side. Here you can see different kinds of pulses like moong dal, masoor dal, and here are everything fresh. Here we pick up many of pulses for our recipes. And this section there are dry fruits, dry nuts like peach, figs, and yeah, raisins. So now here we are picking up some seeds. Now here we are picking up some chocolates and bubble gums. Here you can see very unique style bubble gum of watermelon. So I picked 3 of them, and here are some chocolates, and now we are cashing out. By the way, this mall is very big. You cannot explore this whole mall. Once at a time, you have to come a lot times, and there is also up section where it contains food court, fun city for children like play zone, and many stuff are also offsite. so you cannot explore the whole mall once at a time. And so now we are cashing out, and even you can see at that side there is some food court, perfume shop, and a little bit you can see at the top. And so now we are almost at the exit. And finally we are out. So now we are finding our car so we can just keep all of the stuff inside. Now let's go in. So here is the mall. We are exiting and you can see it's very huge. So as I said, this is the Light Mountain, also known as Green Mubasara. And yeah, we were also very hungry, so we decided that we can eat something from outside. So after picking up our order and eating the food, we decided to have something sweet. So here we are at McDonald's, so we will order some ice cream for ourselves. So my family ordered simple cone because they like simple cone, but I ordered the McFlurry Oreo flavor. It is really yummy. You guys should try it out. So after eating that, now we are going home, and I hope you enjoyed our video. And if you did, subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to comment down below how was the vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.